Hello again, guys. Welcome back to another day on the Tiburon, Alejandro's Tiburon build. We have done a few things here and there. We are bottoming out everything because we changed. Like I told you, we were gonna change some stuff. We already did. The first thing that we did is the intake. You all saw in the previous video of this build that we did a new intake manifold with a 80 millimeter throttle body. It's already installed in the engine. It fit really good, but we had a problem. It was the throttle body. It was when I put the intake, the charge pipe, it was too close to the master cylinder. So we had to do some modification to the throttle body and weld a pipe cut there, so it can be short radius curve, so we can put it there and it looks good. It's not completely where it's only tack welded, but the intake manifold is already done. The wire harness, I put all the wire harness. We are putting everything like it is what it's supposed to be. I have to change the charge pipe again, because now with the new setup it's gonna be a little different. So I'm gonna be working on that today. I'm gonna show you now how the intake manifold looks. It looks amazing. This dress up the engine bay really good. So, and this car is gonna make the 400 plus horsepower. And we have someone that is gonna tune it up. We already bought the flex fuel sensor. We're gonna be installing that because we wanna run the E85 on demand whenever we can. So we're gonna try to do both setups. So the computer read the ethanol content and it's gonna change. Now I'm gonna show you. Look at this. Look at how it looks. The intake manifold is already on there on the engines, bottom up. It fits really good. We have enough space in the back of from the intake to the firewall. So, and this is what I was telling you about. We're gonna be welding that 45 degree angle there. It's only tack up, but it's gonna be fully welded, and I'm gonna be changing the angle here. Because now it has a different angle. I'm going to be using a 45 degree here and 45 degree back here, so it's going to fit really good. And I have to put the engine oil pan so I can fit the new turbo. Remember, look at the ports. This is the exhaust port. It's ported and everything. We did a really good job there. So now we have the turbo already, the new turbo already hooked up to the manifold. It's already here with all the lines. It is a brand new turbo. The only thing that we are using is the front housing, because it already had the elbow, the vibrant elbow already welded there. So that's that. So I'm gonna be bottoming up everything so we can finish the car this weekend. Now you can see I already did the charge pipe. We're gonna be eliminating, this is only temporary. These two hoses with clamps are temporary because we're gonna be welding the tube in one piece. So that's done. We have to take everything apart because I have to weld. Angelito has to weld the throttle body, but this is gonna go layout. The intake, the manifold, the exhaust manifold, and the turbo is already on. I'm working on the coolant lines, as you can see here. I'm working this because I'm using water on the turbo, so the turbo can run a little bit cooler. Everything is already done like it was previously, but I changed these fittings because previously was push on with the clamp. Now I put the AM fittings. It's gonna look good and it's gonna be easier to walk on. Okay guys, this is what I have done so far. Look at this. It's almost done. All the catch can lines are ready. I already fabricate those. I did the charge pipe. Everything is bolt on. I have to take few things out to make sure everything is secure and verify everything. I took this headlamp because I'm gonna be installing this one, the one that has the ram air. Look how it looks. And now I need to fabricate the throttle cable bracket because I don't have it. So now I'm gonna be fabricating that. I'm gonna be fabricating that with this piece of metal here. I don't know. Let me see what it is. It's a flat iron. I don't know, something like that. You can see. So I'm gonna be using four inches of this. I'm gonna be bending 1 inch and give it here like a U because there's gonna be resting the cable and then do the holes to get it in the intake manifold. So I'm gonna be using 4 inches of this material. Look at this, guys. I have to finish it up but it's already done. It's working. I need to like cut this part here. It's too long, and round up all the edges and everything, and it's gonna be looking good. For now, it's working. Well, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel to help us grow and do more awesome content for you guys. In the next videos, we're gonna be hitting the dyno to see what numbers we can get with the new setup. And I'm gonna tell you guys, we are decided to open the engine again and buy the forged internal. So we're gonna be installing pistons and rods. That's the only thing we need to get more than 500 horsepower. So that's gonna be the goal. So guys, remember, if you dream of it, work for it and make it happen. See you in the next one.